Since the 1950s, surfboards have been made with polyurethane foam as the core. This material gives you a unique sensation of moving through the water. When we realized how much damage the production does, we knew we had to rethink the process. We wanted to see if we could recreate that movement in a more planet-conscious way. We reimagined the core of each surfboard and based it on recycled material with no loss in performance, to create a way to move more responsibly. Through a community of like-minded people and a passion for change, we want to make a real difference to our planet.
Kia, movement that inspires.